Kills Corner. Yeah. On a Monday. Yeah. I just came across a little press conference with Bob Arum, Eddie Hearn. Man, it was a little interesting. All right, it's a little interesting. Bob Arum first talking about steroids. Of course, Dylan Wyatt, Oscar Rivas, and he's saying that it's a shame that can't be trusted to tell the opponent. He's saying the little bad that English fighters are now on the doping side. Now, Bob Arum is a promoter, just like Eddie Hearn. And one is not better than the other one. That's for sure. Without a doubt. Scumbags. Promoters. That's what they are. Scumbags. And these are the two very best ones. Al Heyman's a promoter too. I won't necessarily go as far as call him a scumbag. I don't really know a lot about him. I know a lot of his fighters say they're happy to be with him because they get paid. So with that, take that. Now he talked about Canelo and that franchise championship, and this is fresh, out of Bob Arum's mouth. Fresh out of his mouth where he says Canelo deserves the franchise championship. Not only because of his I can't think of the word. Not only because of his popularity. Jesus, man. Not only because of his popularity, but because of his body of work. And he said he doesn't care. He says Eddie Hearn should leave Canelo alone. They should leave Canelo alone, let him fight whoever he wants to fight. And as for Andre and Charlo, they can go fight another governing body. He said there's like 4 of them. Why you keep bothering Canelo? He says, look, Canelo should be able to fight whoever he wants to. Because out of all those guys in that division, fresh out of his mouth now, all those fighters in that division, Canelo is the one that moves the needle. In other words, he's the one that sells tickets. Those other guys do not. Now, whether that be true or not, he said it. So you can go from there, okay? He said, Andre, Charlo, you too. Bye. Charlo, they don't sell. That's why Canelo's not fighting them. Because they don't sell. Well, I don't know. Who knows, whether this is true, that's true. Who knows about anything? Also asked him, what do you think about Wilder becoming franchise champion? And he said, if Wilder beats Fury again, he should be franchise champion. That's fresh out of his mouth. He said, beat him again. Do you hear what I said? This goes out to all you Fury fans. He said, beat him again. Meaning what? That he already beat him. So there you go. Hey man, Kill's Corner, just reporting a little presser between Eddie Hearn, Bob Arum. I thought it was very interesting, you know. Can you believe anything that comes out of their mouth? I don't know. But this is Kill's Corner, hands up, chin down, baby. Keep punching. Arum, Hearn, two birds of a feather flock together. And now, I'm out.